Close your eyes for a second. Picture a slice of chocolate cake overflowing with rich, creamy frosting. Or that perfect spoonful of ice cream melting right on your tongue. Can you feel it? It's highly likely your mouth is watering and a sudden craving for something sweet just hit you out of nowhere. But have you ever stopped to wonder why? What is this spell that sweet treats cast over our minds, making the mission to resist them almost impossible? The answer is hidden deep inside your brain, and today you're going to find out how the food industry hides sugar in what you eat and how it completely manipulates your biology. When we say sugar, we're not just talking about those white crystals you stir into your morning coffee. Sugar is the generic term for an entire family of carbohydrates that goes by many aliases on supermarket labels. If you read the ingredients of almost anything you buy, you'll find names like glucose and fructose, sucrose and maltose, corn syrup, dextrose, starch, and even honey. And make no mistake, it's not just lurking in obvious desserts. It's cleverly camouflaged in your store-bought tomato sauce, your Fit yogurt, cereal bars, and dried fruits. We are surrounded by it. That's why understanding its impact on our minds is a matter of survival. What actually happens the moment sugar touches your mouth? It all starts on the tip of your tongue. Your taste buds have special receptors exclusively for sweetness. The second food hits them, an electrical signal shoots at lightning speed through your brainstem until it reaches the cerebral cortex, the region that decodes whether something is salty, bitter, or, in our case, deliciously sweet. That's when the real show begins. This signal lights up what we call the reward system. Think of it as a circuit network that asks one single subconscious question. Was that good? If so, we need to do it again. You know that feeling of pure comfort and happiness when you eat your favorite dessert? That's your brain screaming, "Perfect, give me another dose." This system is vital because it encourages us to repeat behaviors essential for our evolution, like socializing or reproducing. The problem is, when we abuse sugar, this system glitches. The result? Loss of control, unstoppable cravings, and the need to eat more and more just to get the same level of pleasure. The journey doesn't stop in your mouth. The food travels down into your stomach and enters your gut. And here is a secret very few people know. Your gut has sugar receptors too. They can't taste the flavor, but they notify your brain that fuel has arrived, managing your fullness and ordering the release of insulin to process all that energy. But the ultimate maestro behind this entire machine is a neurotransmitter called dopamine. Highly addictive substances like alcohol and nicotine hijack these dopamine pathways, flooding the brain and creating dependency. Sugar does something incredibly similar. It triggers the release of dopamine, though in a slightly subtler way. Want proof? Healthy foods like broccoli simply don't activate dopamine like that. That is exactly why nobody gets midnight cravings or anxiety attacks over a plate of steamed vegetables. Our brains evolved to love variety. If you eat your favorite healthy meal every single day, the dopamine spike will progressively drop until it levels out. This happens to protect us from eating spoiled food and to force us to seek different nutrients. If you constantly consume sugar-loaded foods, the dopamine control mechanism fails. Your brain never gets bored. It keeps delivering that feeling of reward as if it were the very first time. This is why sugar acts a bit like a mild drug, keeping people trapped in an endless loop. Every sweet molecule triggers a powerful biological domino effect. If consumed in excess all the time, your mind goes into overdrive and becomes a hostage to this vicious cycle. The good news? A slice of cake on the weekend won't destroy your brain. The secret, as always, is balance. Understanding how your body works is the first step to taking control of your routine and your health. If you loved discovering what happens behind the scenes of your mind and want to keep unlocking the secrets of the human body and behavior in a simple, direct way, don't waste any time. Subscribe to the channel right now and hit that notification bell. Let me know what your favorite healthy snack is in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.